Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my respective lecturer, to my fellow classmates, and the viewers who watching my video. My name is Mashita Jafri from MMC 1103A. My metric number is 2020854772. In this video, I would like to share to the viewers about how to play and make Batu Seremban. But before that, did you know what is Batu Seremban is? Okay, Selambut, or also known as Batu Seremban or Seremban, is one of the traditional games played in Malaysia. Selambut is a reference to the north and east coast of the peninsula, while on the west coast of peninsula is called Seremban game. It is made of stone or cloth, and the amount of the Batu Seremban should be 5 to 7, and the players are usually played by the girls individually or in a group of 2 to 5 people. And now, let's make Batu Seremban step by step. This is the material that I will use later, and the first is 5 cotton fabric piece, and I'm using batik cloth, green beans, needle and thread, and small spoon. Now we already know how to make Batu Seremban, but do you know how to play with it? No? Okay, let me show you step by step on how to play Batu Seremban. Enjoy! Step 1. Throw all 5 stones. While throwing a stone, pick up one stone and catch the stone in the air before it falls to the ground. Do this for each of the stones on the ground. Step 2. Repeat step 1 but pick up 2 stones at a time. Step 3. Repeat step 1 but pick up a combination of 3 stones and 1. And step 4. Throw all 5 stones, pick up 4 stones while 1 stone is in the air and catch the latter before it falls to the ground. Step 5. While throwing 1 stone, place the 4 on the ground. Throw 1 stone up again and catch it while picking all 4 stones on the ground. Step 6. Throw all 5 stones on the ground, pick 2 stones, throw 1 in the air and exchange the other with 1 on the ground. Do the same with the remaining stones on the ground. Step 7. Throw the 2 stones held at the end of the step 6. Pick up 1 stone and then catch the 2 falling stones separately in one hand. Do this until there is 3 stones in one hand and 2 in the other. Throw the 2 stones and catch it separately, and throw the remaining stones and catch it with the hand that has all the stones. Lastly, step 8. Throw all 5 stones on the ground. The opponent select a stone to be thrown in the air. The player has to pick this stone without moving any others. The players throws the stone in the air and pick the remaining on the ground in one clean sweep. I think that's the end for this video. I hope this video can give beneficial to the viewers because playing Batu Seremban is a fun and entertaining thing, and this opinion is supported by Frost, Bowers and Wortel that playing can contribute to the development of children from social, affective and effects for psychomotor. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.